Tired of juggling multiple platforms and wasting precious time on tedious video creation tasks? This video unlocks the powerful synergy of Flow and Veo 3, transforming your workflow into a streamlined video creation machine. So let's dive in. First, ensure you have active accounts with both Flow and Veo 3. Log into your Flow account and navigate to the project where you want to integrate your Veo 3 footage. Next, record your game or practice using your Veo 3 camera, making sure that your Veo 3 camera is connected to your Flow platform by using your account credentials from Flow. Once the Veo 3 recording is complete, it automatically uploads to the Veo platform inside Flow. Create a new task related to video analysis or highlight creation within the task details. Link directly to the corresponding Veo 3 recording by copying and pasting the URL into the designated field. Now, team members can access the Veo 3 footage directly from within Flow, adding comments, annotations, and identifying key moments for highlights. Based on the analysis, generate a video editing request directly within Flow, specifying the exact timestamps and desired edits for the highlight reel or training video. Assign this task to your video editor. Watch as your video editor seamlessly utilizes the provided notes and timestamps from Flow to create a polished end product, saving valuable time and ensuring accuracy. Now you're ready to share your video. By integrating Flow and Veo 3, you've unlocked a new level of efficiency in your video creation process, boosting productivity and creating amazing videos.